To solve for x in this logarithm, let us first consider what power should 0.25 be in order for it to be 0.5. So we know that 0.25 is actually 25 over 100 to the power y being equated to, and 0.5 is 5 over 10. So 25 into 25 is 1, and 25 into 100 is 4. Because we say 25, 50, 75, 100. So we are saying 1 over 4 raised to the power y, it's equal to 5 into 5, it's 1, and 5 into 10, it's 2. So it's equal to 1 over 2. Now we can express this as an index. It will be 4 to the power minus 1, all raised to the power y, equal to 2 to the power minus 1. And we know that when we have this relationship, the powers are going to multiply. So it will be 4 to the power minus y after minus 1 times y is equal to 2 to the power minus y. We can express 4 as a power of 2, and it's actually 2 squared. So 2 squared written instead of 4 is equal to 2 to the power minus 1. And again, the powers are going to multiply. So it's now 2 to the power minus 2y. It's equal to 2 to the power minus 1. In order for us to solve for y, it will then be minus 2y is equal to minus 1, since the bases are now the same. And we divide both sides with minus 1 with minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, that's 1. So here eventually we have y is equal to 1 over 2, since the negative signs are going to cancel out. So what we have just done is we needed to express 0.5 in terms of 0.25 to the power something, hence y. So we have concluded that 0.5 is equal to 0.25 to the power half. So rewriting the question, instead of saying log 0.5 base 0.25 is equal to 8.5 over x, we are now going to say log 0.25. Substituting 0.5, we put in 0.25 to the power half. It's equal to 8.5 over x. Now we know the property of logarithms. It's actually a law or a rule that if we have log a to the power n, there is going to be a transfer of n such that log a to the power n is the same as n log a. So applying the same principle, we are then going to say this half is going to transfer to this side. So we have half of log 0.25 base 0.25 is equal to 8.5 over x. Now, we should also appreciate another law of logarithms. Let me say rule 2, which states that log of a base a is equal to 1. after the fact that a raised to the power 1 is equal to a. Again, applying the same law, it means we now have half multiplying 1, since log of 0.25 base 0.25 is equal to 1. So half multiplying 1 is equal to 8.5 over x. What is 1 half times 1? It is 1 half. So 1 half is equal to 8.5 over x. By cross multiplication, this then means that 1 multiplying x is equal to 8.5 multiplying 2. What is 1 times x? It is x. So x is equal to 8.5 times 2. 2 times 5 it's 10, we carry 1. 2 times 8, 16 plus 1, it's 17 with 1 decimal place. So it means that x is equal to 17. That will be our answer. Your task now is to find out whether it is true that if we put x is equal to 17 here, our answer will still remain correct.